Tomorrow they will be okay. Please welcome the team of South Africa. And now, oh, such a big team in beautiful red. Please welcome Spain. And they loud as well. Egy igen nagy csapat, Spanyolország csapata, talpig, nem talpig, pirosban, a piros feketében, a spanyol csapat az egyik legnagyobb. And as I mentioned, the most loved destination for holidays for Hungarians, Spain, one of them as well. So, welcome Spain in Hungary, the team of Spain. And I would like to hear the voice of the end of the Spanish team as well. Come on, do you have some voice? Yeah! And after Spain, from the south, let's go to the north. Anticipation on the stage, but I would like to ask you to leave the stage because we need the space. Oh, okay, then the dancer will dance around you. Thank you very much. Give it up for the committee and the special guest. Meanwhile, they're leaving. I'm just telling you some history. This is a great 2 weeks in sport of Hungary. We just had the Champions League 1 week or 2 weeks ago. Now